In this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can run AI locally. And no, you don't need any fancy hardware or heavy PC to do that. Even an i3 computer can run the powerful AI models locally. So what is open source model and why should you use it? By definition, open source model refers to AI systems where some or all of the core components of AI are publicly available. So in simple language, these models are totally free to use. You can download it and modify it and even sell it by yourself. Why use open source models locally when paid models like ChatGPT works wonderful online? First, these models are as powerful as online paid models. And second, privacy and security. Like if you don't want Sam Altman to know why your ex dumped you and run away with another NRI, then use AI locally. Believe me. Plus, it also saves money since it's free and works offline, like cherry on the cake. So to download and use models offline, you need apps that provides proper environment that can run AI locally, like Llama by Facebook and LM Studio. So here I'm gonna use LM Studio, but the process for Llama would be same as in the LM Studio. To download LM Studio, just search on Google for it and check out the link below in the description. After you open the website, you will find options to download LM Studio. Just click on it and it will download a file on your computer. So now open that folder where the file is located and just double click on that file. It will ask you for some permission and some buttons, but just click on next, next, next. So after this, finally the software will be installed. Now the app will look something like this. Here you have four main options. First one is for creating new chat. Second one is for developers. Third one is for local models. Like whenever you download new models, the models will be appear here. And fourth option is for searching for new models and downloading it. So as you can see, here are so many models. Here is the search bar. You can search specific models if you want, and you can also filter models by best match, recently added, and other more options. Now comes the most important part: which model you choose. It all comes down to your purpose and how powerful your system is. So if your system has just 16 GB RAM, then use models that are like 8 GB or 9 GB. Since my system is not that powerful, I'm gonna select Google's Gemma models, and other model I'm gonna use is this distill version of DeepSeek. So my model has been downloaded. Now I'm gonna click on first option that says chat, and now I have this UI. Click on this button and it will ask you to select the model. You will able to use it like use online.